How is it?
It's good.
Yeah?
This is just a big piece of ham.
It is. Some fries. You got a salt? No?
The ham is good enough for it.
Yeah? Got some meatballs. You had these last time, no? The meatballs.
Yeah.
You like
They're
them?
good. Mhm.
Yeah, they are. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah?
But
We're trying to find a mattress because we don't have anything to sleep on tonight. It's your section. We're about to pick pillows.
No, we're not. This is not that.
Oh, this is cushions.
Yes.
Oh, look at him.
You don't like it that big?
No, it's huge.
You wanted this?
No, I hate that color. I hate that color. But no, this is not it. We can't find them. What place do you want?
I don't know. I guess it kind of depends on the theme that you want to go with.
Yeah, because I don't see the ones that we wanted.
So we're going plain white?
Yeah.
I guess that's what we got to do for right now.
Yeah.
Until we find what we want.
Look at that. Whoa.
Are they going to have that on there?
Oh, so 18 for 18 pieces if we get these, the whole set. But I don't like those bowls. Do you like them?
I don't like the whole set.
Oh, you don't? Then we're not getting it. We're not getting it if you don't like it.
So you don't like it?
No, maybe we should get. No, I'm kidding.
Wow.
Why would they do that?
I don't know.
But no, we didn't find any plates, so we're gonna have to keep using paper plates, plastic plates.
But we got glasses.
We got glasses. Really, look, really nice ones. They're nice.
Yeah. I feel like if we're gonna do that, we should just go ahead and change it out and maybe change out the bathtub.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that yet. This is just to change it tonight.
Why don't we get this?
No, this is too small. Look, this is the smaller one, the bigger one. Which one?
This one, because the one that we have at the apartment, it has like mold on it.
It has a mold on it.
Yeah.
It's bad. That's why we're buying a new one.
Lance
So,
Vincent ain't about to shower in there.
yeah, let's buy this.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Just throw it in the bag. They would have got that in America.
We spent, what, 200 euros?
Yeah.
But we got a lot of stuff. Wait, we're going in the bus.
I'm distracted by.
Yeah, where were you going?
Bags.
We're carrying
We gotta get it back.
2 bags.
Spain style.
Yeah. And we're gonna take the bus home because
I'm not walking.
we could take a taxi, but nah. The bus is so much cheaper and yeah.
And we just spent a bunch of money, so
We did. What?
It's empty in here.
It is empty. Can I film you? We need to cover the nipples.
It's because everything echoes and it makes it seem loud.
So what are you about to do?
Finish mopping and clean the bathroom.
Clean the bathroom.
I'm
Where's
full.
Todd? Huh?
I'm full from all that pizza.
Yeah, we just had that pizza. I'm about to make our bed. This is gonna be our bed for probably a few days, no?
If not that, a few weeks.
Yeah, it's really empty.
Yeah. So, but turn on some tunes.
Uh-oh.
cleaned up the living room yesterday, and don't get me wrong, the place is beautiful, but I don't know what happened beforehand. This place was a mess. Don't
like
make fun of
dirty.
me, because I got my gloves on. I got gloves that were too small, but if you see the dirt, the grime that was between the cracks of the walls and everything, in between these little cracks, it was like, let me just show you the rag. The rag doesn't even explain it, but it was like oily grime piled up in there. So I had to take a knife and scrape it out. You better believe I wasn't gonna touch it with my hand. It was just, but I'm coming in here, cleaning it out so that way we can cook. When I say dirty, I'm not exaggerating. It was bad.
How's it going?
It was bad.
What do you have left?
It's going good. So I cleaned everything off up here. All of this was cleaned off. That whole side is cleaned off. I'm about to do the counter right now. Now I gotta do the oven and the stove. Oven and stove, and then like the bottom half of this. All of this is coming down, as you can see.
Yeah.
It's all rusted and just bad. So all of that is about to come down. The sink is all rusted too, so I'm gonna clean it as best as I can, but if possible, we might replace it.
Yeah.
We gotta see if we can. But
Wipe the counter. I wanna film you in action.
this is the first thing I did when I woke up this morning. I haven't even eaten anything yet, but we gotta get it
Because you
done.
wouldn't cook in here unless you clean.
Yeah, it was nasty. So look at the counter.
Clean it.
Okay, I just want people to see what I'm working with. So I didn't know this, but the countertop had this weird texture to it.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be smooth.
But it's not smooth. Okay. My god.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh my god.
Y'all thought I was playing.
Yeah, I really did.
You thought I was exaggerating.
That's disgusting. Okay. Hi, Rudy.
Now think about that, but being on the wall.
Yes, that's